Welcome to the Enabling Festival 2021. My name is Daniel and I'm the co-founder of Enable Asia. Due to the current pandemic situation, this festival will continue to remain an online festival for 2021. The festival really aims to challenge, to explore, to shape perceptions and the understanding of dementia as well as caregiving, but through technology and the arts. Well, this year's focus is on taste, and we have curated many different programs surrounding taste for you. So please visit us at enableasia.org to see what we have to offer. Please enjoy the upcoming programs.
Hi, welcome to the Enabling Festival 2021. My name is Danny Raven Tan. I'm a full-time caregiver for my 88-year-old mother who is living with dementia, and I'm a full-time painter, and I co-founded this home-based gallery in Ang Mo Kio. And this is the Tiffin Gallery, which I'm going to share with you my favorite food memory later on. Food memories are actually very powerful time machine. It can teleport us to a different place, different time, and they can bring us to the one that we love and treasure. And food memories can unearth deep-rooted memories within us. Imagine your mom is cooking in the kitchen, you can smell the aroma of the belachan, and you can look at the colorful ingredients that she's preparing, and with all this combined with all the senses that you have, it can create a more vivid memory for you. Okay, hi, welcome to another series of Master Cook for the Enabling Festival 2021. Today, I'm going to share with you my favorite food memory about Achar. Why Achar? Because mom is Peranakan, so she made a lot of Achar when I was young. So she will put it in a tupperware and she will give it to our neighbours, and we will always have her wonderful, tasty Achar to complement whatever she's cooking. Very simple. This Achar dish comprises of pineapple and onions and rice wine and some lemon and sugar. So at this point, I would like to talk about food heals. What do you mean by food heals? Medically and spiritually. The food we consume has a lot of vitamins, such as, for example, we talk about pineapple. Yep, everybody knows what pineapple is. So pineapple has a lot of antioxidants, of course not as much as grapes. It makes the body stronger. At the same time, it contains enzyme that helps digestion. And onions is a medicinal product from nature. So it also helps with respiratory problems, as well as it improves immunity. So these are the ingredients that mom has incorporated into her achar. So I think food heals medically makes sense. But what about spiritually? This is what I want to share with you guys. If you cook something familiar for your loved ones, which they like, don't you think it will trigger a certain memories, whether when they were young, or whether when they had their first love, or even, I don't know, their wedding, their firstborn child, and these are the taste, or this particular food has this immense impact on them with regards to memories. So food heals spiritually. It's something which I strongly believe in. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to create this favorite food memory of mine from my mom, which is a Peranakan, watered down version of achar. So what we need is very simple: onion, pineapple, lime, sugar, and rice wine. So what I need to do is I will slice this into very thin slice. I know a lot of people do not like onion, especially I think Buddhists, right? Yes. But knowing that onion has lots of medicinal properties, perhaps we should rethink. Yeah. Okay, so we have the onion chopped already. So we put it here. There you go. You have your onion, and I've bought like a pretty ripe pineapple. I'll slice it up. I think the pineapple you should get the ripe kind, or else, as the Chinese say, it won't like cut your tongue. So I think this is alright. And I'll slice it a little bit further so that it's not so chunky. There you go. Okay, there we have it. I will put it here. Okay, maybe not too much. And I'll put the rest here. And I'll have a slice of lemon. I'll drizzle it over this mixture. There you go. Giving it a little citrus flavor. Okay. And after that, I will have this rice wine, Bai Mi Jiu. Drizzle over this, and last but not least, depending how much you want, you can sprinkle some sugar and you do a little toss. Okay, normally you'll taste nicer if you leave it overnight in the fridge, but today we will just leave it as it is. Okay, for normal achar you'll probably have like carrots, cucumber to add to that array of colors for this dish. Okay, there we are done. This dish is actually very easy to make. If you would like to know and taste how my favorite food memory tastes like, you could try this with your loved ones. And they're actually packed with a lot of vitamins, which I've mentioned before. And Glenn, would you like to try this and tell me what do you think? Honestly,
I think that's nice. Not
it's
sweet.
okay, not sweet.
Yeah. I think that's important. Pineapple tastes very good.
All right,
Yeah. All right.
Okay, wonderful. So to finish off this Master Cook series, I strongly encourage caregivers out there to try to do something about food with your loved ones, especially when you know what they like, because mom can't cook anymore, she cannot prepare this anymore. These are the new memories you can create with your loved ones from your heart. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching our program. We hope you have found this useful, and please help us to complete a simple survey by using the QR code provided below. This will help us to improve and fulfill our requirements for the various sponsors. If you want to find out more about the Enabling Festival 2021, please visit our Facebook page, our Instagram, our TikTok, and website to see more what we have more lined up for you. The Enabling Festival is in its 4th year now, and it certainly has been a very rewarding journey. We hope we can pledge $1 or more to this cause, because this will further help our cause for dementia community. Thank you, take care, and stay safe.